Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to optimize games with Razer Cortex. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Razer Cortex offers a game booster feature that aims to optimize your system for a better gaming experience. Here's a guide on how to optimize games using Razer Cortex. So the first step would be open Razer Cortex on your PC. Look for a section or tab labeled defrag or similar. This is where you find the optimization features. Razer Cortex will typically have an option to scan your system for installed games. Use this feature to detect the games on your PC. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of detected games with Razer Cortex. On Game Booster, go to Booster Prime, choose a specific game from the list that you want to optimize. Then look for a boost or optimize button associated with the selected game. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the optimization process. After adjusting settings, if there's any, apply the changes. This may involve clicking the boost or apply button. Now, some versions of Razer Cortex may include a game mode feature. Activate this mode to prioritize system resources for gaming. Now, launch the optimized game directly from Razer Cortex or through your usual game launcher. If you're interested in monitoring your frames per second while gaming, check if Razer Cortex provides an FPS counter or use an external tool. Just follow the prompts to make sure it is enabled and working. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.